Welcome to Redline Review. The Bugatti Motorhome concept combines the history of hypercars with ultra-luxurious mobile lifestyle in a remarkable way. Its layout, overview, and design. This concept aims to reimagine Bugatti's high-performance DNA as an opulent motorhome and is anticipated to be unveiled in 2025 or 2026. It consists of the following: a multi-axle chassis design, probably with 6 wheels, with a focus on stability and grandeur. A sleek and aerodynamic body with a striking horseshoe grille, reminiscent of Bugatti automobiles and flowing coach lines referencing modern cars. A striking sculpted profile, reminiscent of Bugatti's finest craftsmanship. System performance and propulsion. Considering the parameters revealed for a prototype, sometimes referred to as the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome, complete powertrain configuration for an electric vehicle, EV cost, roughly $5 million, which is equivalent to 4.55 million euros or 3.9 million pounds. Although it is tuned for elegance rather than forceful acceleration, this amazing power showcases Bugatti-level performance. Because they are not stated, the battery's precise dimensions and range are not provided. Characteristics and opulent interior design. On the inside, however, the RV idea blends upscale functionality with opulent luxury. Spacious layouts usually contain a lounge area, gourmet kitchen, full bathroom, and private sleeping quarters. Luxurious materials such as exquisite leather, polished wood, and handmade decorations are characteristics of a luxury living environment. These state-of-the-art features include ambient lighting that evokes the technology in Bugatti's cabin, premium entertainment, and smart home interfaces. Benefits and things to think about. The pinnacle of exclusivity and luxury is the highest level of distinction. Approximately $5 million is the price, and only very wealthy clients can afford it. A distinctively Bugatti design, high-end finishes, and a sleek aerodynamic shape. Production is limited, most likely a commissioning task that is very low volume or unique. Full electric vehicle power guarantees a high quality and silent driving experience. More specialized service requirements. Upkeep that beyond the standard RV maintenance. The ultra-luxurious interior features large living spaces, state-of-the-art technology, and premium materials. Having an unworkable size could cause issues with parking, maneuverability, and campground compatibility. Concluding remarks. Combining Bugatti's design philosophy with the luxury of mobile living, the Bugatti Motorhome concept for 2026 is a declaration of unbridled luxury. Although it is still more of a fantasy than a reality for the general public, it reimagines what a motorhome can be, whether it be a futuristic, hyper-luxury RV or a VIP transit lounge.